On this week's World Menu, fruits can be so much more than just a snack. They are transformed into perfect meals. Fevers are treated and skin conditions are improved. We learn all about the benefits of mung beans in traditional Korean cuisine on Healthy Kitchen.
Are you suffering from dehydration due to the overbearing heat? Well then, you might want to revive your appetite, which has spiraled downwards because of the heat. What do you eat in times like these? Nutritionists advise people to eat colorful and nutritious fruits. Well, from everyday fruits to exotic and tropical ones, we bring you beautiful fruit-inspired dishes on today's Cuisine Tour.
World Menu. The inside is completely different from the outside. Colors of the rainbow molded into all kinds of shapes imaginable. Sweet and delicious juices that taste as good as they smell. It only takes one bite of a fruit to get your happy endorphins going. Watch and see how fruits are transformed into healthy meals. The transformation of fruit. We're at a Chinese restaurant and the customers here all come here for a special item on the menu. It's something special they can't find anywhere else. It's a multi-course meal consisting of fruits. Melons and pineapples are used in this appetizer, which starts off the course. It's quite unique looking and people delve right in. What's inside this pineapple? You have to wonder what the ingredients inside taste like. Just take a bite and experience a new world of flavors.
맛에 아주 깊은 맛도 있으면서 또 메론의 아주 그런 아주 시원한 맛 이런 것도 아주 좋습니다.
그 중식당에 가면 거의 다 막 느끼하거나 이렇잖아요. 근데 이 파인애플 같은 경우는 우리 단백질 소화 요소도 잘 되고 소화가 잘 되기 때문에 느끼함하고 같이 드시면 더 훨씬 더 나을 것 같아요. 그렇죠?
Meanwhile, people in the kitchen are busy preparing the main dish.
저기 몸에 좋은 배를 이용한 싹스펜 스프를 만들려고 합니다.
Cut off the top part of the pear like a lid and dig out the inside. Inside, place the expensive shark's fins and bok choys, which are also good for you. As the broth is poured into the pear, the pre-sliced pears rise to the surface. Close the lid and steam in a steamer.
일단 배 같은 게 건강식으로 제일 많이 알려져 있고요. 또 이게 목에 상당히 좋은 걸로 많이 알려져 있기 때문에. 그리고 싹스핑이라는 거는 중국 요리 중에서 최고의 재료거든요. 근데 그거와 같이 이제 1시간 이상 같이 찜통에 쪄서 그걸 보양식으로 이렇게 드실 수 있게 만든 요리입니다.
This soft-looking white fruit is the sweet tropical fruit lychee. Raw lychees in flour and stuff with shrimp. This is another popular dish of this fruit course meal, the sweet and sour lychee. First, place the lychee shrimps in a preheated pan with oil and fry until crisp. Stir fry once again in the sauce. Garnish the plate with cucumbers cut in a fancy way as well as vegetables. Place the stir-fried sweet and sour lychee on the cabbage plate. Your mouth will water as this delicious-smelling dish is served, the crispy, fruity, sweet and sour lychee. A melon carved in the shape of a stadium served with persimmon juice. Pineapples are served with jellyfish and vegetables in this delicious dish, which is served cold. Fruits continue to be transformed at this restaurant, which specializes in Southeast Asian food. This time, a pineapple is peeled and the pulp is sliced into bite-sized pieces. On the hot plate, Thai-style stir-fried rice is being cooked. Once the stir-fried rice is about ready, the pineapple slices join them in the pan. The rice seems to be just about ready, but that's not all. The highlight of the dish is none other than this. Place a fried shrimp wrapped with rice noodles, and you can fully enjoy the authentic flavors of pineapple. Plus, the fruits and ice cream sundaes served in the pineapple are also highly popular. The dish reminds you of a feather garnish worn by Native Americans. It's a fun-filled Thai pineapple recipe. People are more than ready to dig in as it's served. What does it taste like?
씹으면서 파인애플의 과즙이 나오니까 입안에 달콤함이 확 퍼지는 듯한 느낌? 깔끔하게 입안이 정돈되는 느낌.
The transformation of fruit. It's a parade of green watermelons all lined up. Fresh big watermelons with fun stripes are also an often used ingredient in many dishes. We enter a restaurant on the street and a large watermelon welcomes customers.
시원하고 맛있게 드실 수 있는 수박 냉면이에요.
Cut a ripe and red watermelon in half and start digging out the pulp with a spoon. Meanwhile, the noodles are cooked and cooled in ice water. The very long noodles are cut and then, wait, they're placed in the watermelon? Aha, so this is why it's called watermelon naengmyeon. Pour the icy broth onto the noodles and the watermelon naengmyeon or cold buckwheat noodles is ready to be served. When seasoned in spicy red pepper paste, it becomes a spicy version of the watermelon naengmyeon. What a unique dish. It's a perfect combination of watery watermelon and cold naengmyeon. Word has spread about the noodles and customers start crowding in to have a taste. They're delighted as they're served a large watermelon. They slurp up the noodles with the watermelon and the heat and exhaustion of summer seem to vanish. A cool dish that blasts the heat away.
맛이 안 어울릴 것 같은데요. 어울려요, 은근히. 그래서 그때 저번에 왔을 때도 수박냉면이 있었는데요. 그때 이상할 것 같아서 안 먹어봤는데 먹어보니까 맛있어요.
Just looking at the sweet-looking handmade pies can make you want to reach out for one. But what makes them so sweet are fruits. As we head into the store, a patissier personally makes pies in the kitchen. Dexterous hands prove precise and professional as the pies are molded. Cranberries and cherries, popular as cancer-preventing fruits, are used. Only the most delicious and nutritious fruits are used for these batches of pies.
This is French cherry, and this is from France. It's a very tart cherry, and it has a lot of intense flavor, but it's really sour. So it's mixed with sugar also.
Cherries, sugar, and flour are mixed.
And the flour is what makes it thick. A lot of people think of it as gravy.
They look darling placed on the pie mix. The recipe may look easy, but the real challenge is whether the flavors of the fruits come through in the syrup. Now it just needs to be baked in the oven and taken out when the cherries and cranberries are sweet enough.
The pie very flaky. Then when it breaks open, the juice and the cherries in there.
The fruits are more like jelly now, and you can hardly resist having a taste. Watch out! One taste and the flavors can be addictive.
과일 그대로 뭐 체리 맛 그런 것도 그대로 다 살아 있고요. 촉감도 정말 씹는 촉감 같은 것도 정말 좋습니다.
No other food is as versatile as fruits. They can be changed inside and out. They can be mixed and matched with a wide array of ingredients. Try incorporating sweet and sour fruits into your main dishes. Have fun. After all, it's already been tried and loved in countless dishes all over the world. Healthy Kitchen.
Hey guys, your favorite host Jake is here once again, and I have a couple of hints for you guys to try to guess what today's healthy ingredient is. Alright, the first hint is that it's a type of bean, but it's a green type of bean. Yeah, a green type of bean. Second hint is Koreans love this ingredient because it helps clear their skin. Okay? Like mine, kinda. Really white and nice. Yeah. And the last one is it gets rid of the toxins in your body that you get from overheating or dehydration. So it's a pretty healthy ingredient for you guys. Do you know what it is? No? Yes? Maybe so? All right, well, then here it is.
Here is this week's ingredient. Mung beans, a leguminous plant harvested in Korea and Asia. They taste sweet, but have a cold temperament, which makes them a good home remedy for fevers and beauty benefits.
Oh man,
This is a traditional market where you can find all kinds of Korean food products.
Cool.
Jake's mission today is to find the best mung beans he can.
Wow, look at all these seeds here. Oh my goodness. They have a whole variety of them. And they gotta have mung beans.
Unsure of what he's looking for, he picks something up. Are these mung beans?
What is this, a rock? Oh, it's hard, man.
If you start chewing on what you think is a bean, you may be surprised.
I'm looking for some mung beans. Where are the mung beans?
요게 녹두인데요.
The mung beans are right here.
That's right. These are all natural Korean mung beans.
Okay, I have to find really good quality mung beans to bring back to the chef. And I don't know how to, pick out good ones. So how do you find good quality mung beans?
좋은 녹두는 알이 고르고 진한 색을 띠면서 이물질이 없고 돌이 없고 그런 게 좋은 녹두예요.
Well, how do people enjoy their mung beans in Korea?
녹두는 통녹두는 보통 죽으로 많이 사용하고요. 깐 녹두는 뭐 송편 속이나 떡 고물 아니면 빈대떡 아니면 밥에도 조금씩 넣어도 아주 맛있거든요. 그리고 청포 목에도 녹두가 들어가요.
So I got my mung beans here. Thank
Jake's
you.
mission to bring back today's ingredient is a total success.
I got my mung beans. I got the mung beans. Look at the mung beans that I got today. Don't they look nice? Of course they look nice. I got them. All right, well, here's the mung beans. And before we start cooking, I'm going to introduce the chef of the day. All right, he is, how can you put this? The master of Korean cuisine. Yes, and his name is Chef Choi. Join us, Chef. 안녕하세요.
안녕하십니까?
안녕하세요.
안녕하십니까?
Oh, he's handsome. Nice
Thank you.
smile.
Step 1. Mung bean porridge. The main ingredient for today's first dish is mung beans. Beautifully shiny Korean rice. Also, ingredients for a hearty broth, chicken and astragalus.
Okay, so we're in the kitchen now.
Yeah.
And chef,
Yeah.
what are we going to cook first?
예, 먼저 녹두죽을 만들기 위해서는 그 양질의 육수를 볶기 위해서 앞에 있는 여러 가지 재료들을 여기 팥에 끓여서 먼저 육수를 뽑은 다음에 불려놓은 녹두와 쌀 가지고 죽을 쓰겠습니다. 닭이 준비되어 있고요.
Ah, some nice fresh chicken.
네,
You just put the whole chicken in there, huh?
네,
Okay.
황기요.
Hungry.
녹두와 마찬가지로 열을 내려주는 그런 해열 작용을 하는 것이죠.
Mix the chicken with astragalus, scallions, ginger, and jujubes. Bring to a boil. Take out all the ingredients and remove the oil. Put the remaining broth through a sieve and cool in ice.
We put it back
여기에,
onto the heat?
네,
Okay.
여기에 이제 불린 녹두를 집어넣고요. 이제 불린 쌀을 집어넣겠습니다.
So chef,
Yes.
we're making porridge. True?
Yeah.
And how is this healthy for the body?
네. 죽은 소화 능력이 떨어진 노인이나 어린이들한테 좋은 그런 영양 만점의 음식으로서 특히 회복기에 있는 환자나 그런 소화 능력이 떨어진 여러분들이 섭취했을 때 좋은 그런 죽입니다. 젓가락으로 젓가락질 할 줄 아세요?
Oh, yeah,
잘-
of course.
잘-
But where did this
잘하세요?
come from? 이거 어디서 나타났어요? 이거? Where did it come from?
네, 필수 제품입니다.
Oh, you have pockets on your sleeves?
The well-cooked nokdu juk, or mung bean porridge, is garnished with jujubes, black sesame seeds, and chicken breast. The scent of the medicinal ingredients adds to the allure of this nutritious dish. One of the most popular foods in Korea made with mung beans is the nokdu pindaetdeok, or mung bean pancake.
그 사장님,
네.
이상하게 생긴 기계 뭐예요? 이거 뭐 하는 거예요?
이것이 우리나라에서 내려오는 맷돌이에요. 녹두 빈대떡을 만들 수 있는 기계죠. 맷돌로 갈아야지 믹서기에 같은 데 갈면은 맛이 없어요. 우리나라 고유의 맷돌로 갈아야지만이 맛이 제대로 나는 거예요.
Once the smooth mung bean juice comes out of the rotating mill, you're ready to make some delicious mung bean pancakes.
여기 뭘 묻히고 있어요?
빈대떡 부치려고 양념을 반죽하고 있습니다.
여기 뭐 들어가 있는데요?
여기에 우리나라 숙주,
네.
또 가을에 담은 김치, 또 파, 마늘 그리 넣어가지고 이걸 이렇게 섞어가지고 아까 갈았던 녹두 반죽을 넣어서 무치면은 이제 전이 이제 붙여집니다.
진짜 많다. 더 묻히네요.
Jake tries making the mix for the mung bean pancake, following the lady. It takes some work, but Jake is soon absorbed in making the pancake mix.
음식이 맛있는 거예요.
네, 맞아. 이렇게 한 다음에.
Finally, take a ladle of the mix and place on a skillet splashed with oil. That's one delicious looking mung bean pancake.
Yeah, this is the pancake that I made. I made this one. Oh, it looks so good and crispy. I'm gonna eat this all.
This one requires quite some skill, cutting while cooking. Jake shows that he's a quick learner, and soon he's producing some great looking mung bean pancakes of his own.
나왔습니다.
Take a bite of the pancake right off the skillet. Mmm.
무슨 맛이 나죠?
Wow. 맛있다.
맛있어요?
It's crispy on the outside, but it's like really savory and soft on the inside.
You have to taste mung beans to understand the depth of their flavor. The mung bean pancakes are selling like hotcakes. And what do people say?
네, 맛있고요. 옛날 우리 엄마가 만들어준 거고 조금 비슷해요.
오이시네.
Step 2. Tangpyeongchae. The main ingredient for the second dish is green lentil jelly made by solidifying mung bean powder. Then nutritious dropwort, green bean sprouts, shiitake mushrooms, and Korean beef.
So now it's time to make our main dish called 탕평채. Exactly. And so where do we start?
네, 여기 보시면 재료가 여러 가지죠.
There's a lot.
자, 모든 재료들은 채를 썰 겁니다.
채. Okay.
자, 미나리는
예.
자 줄기만 사용할 겁니다. 잎을 떼어주시고.
The chef was doing it in a slow way. There's a faster way.
오케이.
You just take out. I'm just kidding. Okay.
After slightly boiling the dropwort in water with salt, cool it in ice water. Thinly slice the mushrooms and the beef and soak well in seasoning.
Chef, we have 2 knives here
네.
and a board in front of us with the sliced onions. What are we doing?
우리의 옛 그 한국 음식의 전통 조리법에 의하면 그 블렌더를 사용하지 않고 직접 손으로 갈아서 만드는 음식이 많았는데요. 그렇게 했을 경우에 블렌더로 갈아서 만드는 음식과 손으로 다져서 만드는 음식이 확연히 차이가 나서 오늘 이렇게 준비를 했습니다.
Wow. We're slicing onions into little slices. We're gonna use these for other spices. And I'm getting all these onions in my face. But you know what? It's okay because we're not gonna leave a trace. Oh. Yeah. Nice.
Stir-fry the seasoned beef and mushrooms and prepare the dropwort, green bean sprouts and carrots.
자, 보세요.
Alright.
똑같은 방법으로 포를 뜨는데요. 쭉 밀고 가는 겁니다. 자, 묵 하나로 4장을 뜰 겁니다.
Is it pretty good?
좀 두껍죠? 네.
Yeah.
자, 이제 너무 얇게 됐습니다.
The main ingredient, green lentil jelly, is also slightly boiled in water and then dried. Season with sesame seed oil and salt. Take the various ingredients along with the jelly, season with vinegar and soy sauce, and mix them all together. Garnish with eggs and red pepper as a final touch. This is 탕평채, a royal dish as colourful as it is delicious and soft.
Okay.
덜어서 드시면 됩니다.
Alright, I'm gonna take a lot. Really good. 맛있다. Oh my god. It's so good. Oh, 진짜, you know, I feel so good because we put in so much hard work in making this, and it tastes so good. It just makes me feel better. Satisfying. Oh, 만족해요. 진짜로. Yeah. Wow. All right, hey guys, we're back here in the streets with the 2 dishes that we made today. 탕평채, which is a Korean dish here, pretty popular, and we also have mung bean paste. And we're gonna see how the people on the streets, you know, eat in a dignified manner and see what they say about the flavors, okay? They'll probably like it, because I do. All right, so I'm gonna go. Hey, excuse me, I'm from Ep25, and we just did a show on mung beans. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Different? Different? Okay. All right. If you could express how it tastes with one word, what would you say?
Outstanding.
Outstanding?
Yes, outstanding.
All right, cool. It's good? What would be that one word?
맛있어요.
Oh, he said it in Korean. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough.
Maybe rice noodles or those are mung beans.
Yeah, this is made with mung beans. The salt, and it has like eggs and beef in it. How would you put it in one word?
Wholesome.
Wholesome?
Yeah, I would say it's wholesome. It's got some meat in there and
Yes.
some nice vegetables and some seaweed. It's very tasty.
I think you put
Nice
it,
cool salad.
I think you put it very well, wholesome.
Definitely wholesome.
Yeah. Healthy
Healthy kitchen.
kitchen. Healthy kitchen. Healthy kitchen.